Axon Ivy online training. What is Axon Ivy and how does it simplify business process automation? Axon Ivy is a low-code process automation platform that helps organizations design, execute, and optimize business processes efficiently. It provides an intuitive interface for modeling workflows, integrating with existing systems, and automating business logic to enhance productivity. How Axon Ivy simplifies business process automation. Low-code development allows users to create workflows with a drag-and-drop interface. Reduces the need for extensive coding, making it accessible to business users. End-to-end process automation automates complex business workflows across departments. Supports task assignment, approvals, and notifications to streamline operations. Seamless system integration connects with ERP, CRM, databases, and legacy systems through REST SOAP APIs. Provides ready-to-use connectors for faster integration. Scalability and flexibility. Adapts to business needs, whether small workflows or enterprise-wide process automation. Supports on-premise, cloud, or hybrid deployment options. AI and analytics for optimization. Provides real-time monitoring and dashboards for process insights. Uses AI-powered automation to suggest improvements and reduce inefficiencies. Compliance and governance ensures regulatory compliance with audit trails and role-based access. Helps organizations meet industry-specific requirements. Fast deployment and agility. Speeds up digital transformation with pre-built templates and reusable components. Allows rapid changes and updates without major disruptions. Use cases of Axon Ivy. Customer onboarding automation. Invoice processing and approval. Supply chain and logistics optimization. HR workflows, recruitment, leave requests, performance reviews. Compliance and risk management automation. How to design and deploy workflows efficiently in Axon Ivy. Designing and deploying workflows efficiently in Axon Ivy requires a structured approach to process modeling, optimization, and deployment. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Understanding Axon Ivy Workflow Engine. Axon Ivy is a low-code BPM platform that allows designing, automating, and orchestrating business workflows. It integrates with enterprise applications and services to streamline processes. Step 1. Workflow Design. A. Define business requirements. Identify business needs and key objectives. Map out the process flow, including actors, decisions, and interactions. B. Use Axon Ivy Designer. Use Axon Ivy Modeler to design process flows using BPMN notation. Drag and drop process elements like tasks, events, gateways, and subprocesses. Configure each step with logic, business rules, and decision-making conditions. C. Optimize process logic. Use parallel processing where applicable to improve performance. Implement error handling and exception paths for better resilience. Optimize user task assignments, example using roles, groups, or skill-based routing. D. Implement business rules. Use Axon Ivy's rule engine to apply decision logic dynamically. Integrate with external rule engines if needed. Step 2. Workflow integration. A. Connect external systems. Use REST, SOAP, or database connectors to interact with enterprise applications. Leverage message queues, MQ, Kafka, for asynchronous processing. B. Integrate with identity and access management. Configure SSO, OAuth, LDAP, or Active Directory for user authentication. Define role-based access control, RBAC, to restrict user actions. Step 3. Workflow deployment. A. Choose deployment model. Deploy on Axon Ivy Engine in on-premise, cloud, or hybrid environments. Utilize Kubernetes Docker for scalable deployment. B. Configure performance and scalability. Set up load balancing for high-traffic workflows. Use caching for frequently accessed data. What are the key features of Axon Ivy for low-code process automation? Axon Ivy is a powerful low-code process automation platform designed to streamline business workflows and enhance digital transformation. Here are its key features. 1. Low-code development. Drag-and-drop interface for process modeling. Pre-built templates and reusable components. Minimal coding required for customization. 2. Process orchestration. Automates complex business processes end-to-end. Supports BPMN 2.0 for workflow modeling. Integrates human and system tasks seamlessly. 3. Integration capabilities. Connects with REST SOAP APIs, databases, and third-party applications. Supports RPA, robotic process automation, for task automation. Works with ERP, CRM, and other enterprise systems. 4. User-friendly UI/UX. Built-in UI framework for creating responsive web applications. Customizable forms and dashboards for user interactions. 5. AI and decision automation. Incorporates AI and rule-based decision-making. Supports business rules engines for dynamic workflows. 6. Scalability and performance. Supports microservices and cloud-native deployment. Handles high-volume transactions efficiently. 7. Collaboration and governance. Role-based access control, RBAC, for security. Version control and audit trails for compliance. 8. Deployment flexibility. Deploy on-premises, cloud, or hybrid environments. Supports Docker and Kubernetes for containerized deployments. How to integrate Axon Ivy with third-party systems and APIs? Integrating Axon Ivy with third-party systems and APIs involves several key steps, including leveraging built-in connectors, REST SOAP services, and database integrations. Below is a structured approach to achieving seamless integration. 1. Integration via RESTful APIs. Axon Ivy provides a straightforward way to integrate with REST APIs. Steps to integrate with a REST API. Create a REST client. Use the built-in REST client connector in Axon Ivy Designer. Navigate to Project, New, REST client. Configure the API endpoint. Define the API URL, example https://api.example.com/data right parenthesis. Set up request headers, example authorization, bearer, token. Configure HTTP methods get, post, put, delete. Handle API authentication. Use API keys OAuth 2.0 or basic authentication as required. Store credentials securely in Axon Ivy's configuration properties. Process API responses. Parse JSON XML responses using Axon Ivy data mapping. Handle errors with exception handling flows. TOOF integration via SOAP web services. Axon Ivy supports SOAP-based integrations using WSDL files. Steps to integrate with a SOAP web service. Create a web service client. Go to Project, New, Web Service Client. Import the WSDL file. Generate web service stubs. Axon Ivy will generate Java stubs for SOAP requests. Invoke SOAP services. Use the generated service objects to call SOAP endpoints. Handle request and response payloads. Secure SOAP communications. Configure SSL TLS encryption for secure transmissions. What are the best practices for performance optimization in Axon Ivy? Performance optimization in Axon Ivy is crucial for ensuring efficient workflow automation and seamless process execution. Below are some best practices for optimizing performance in Axon Ivy. 1. Process and workflow optimization. Minimize unnecessary process executions, avoid redundant process calls, and use event-driven executions where possible. Optimize workflow logic, reduce complex loops, parallel executions, and unnecessary transitions in process models. Use process data efficiently, avoid overloading processes with large data objects. Instead, parse references or IDs where possible. 2. Database optimization. Use optimized queries, avoid select asterisk queries and fetch only required columns. Index frequently queried fields, create indexes on fields used in filters and joins. Batch database operations, minimize frequent small transactions and use batch inserts updates. Connection pooling, use database connection pooling to reduce connection overhead. 3. Memory and resource management. Optimize session management, reduce session scope usage and prefer request or application scope when possible. Garbage collection tuning, adjust JVM garbage collection settings to optimize memory management. Limit large object creation, use streaming for large file handling instead of loading everything into memory. 4. UI and front-end optimization. Lazy loading, load UI components only when necessary to reduce initial rendering time. Optimize JavaScript and CSS, minify and bundle JavaScript and CSS files. Reduce UI complexity, use pagination for large datasets instead of rendering everything at once. 5. Caching and performance tuning. Use caching mechanisms, implement caching for frequently accessed data, example session caching, database query caching. Optimize logging, set appropriate log levels, avoid excessive logging in production. Tune thread pools, adjust Axon Ivy's thread pool settings based on workload requirements. 6. Monitoring and profiling. Use performance monitoring tools, leverage tools like JProfiler, Visual VM, or Axon IV Engine's built-in monitoring. Analyze bottlenecks, regularly check CPU, memory, and database performance. Profile service calls, optimize slow API calls and external integrations. How does Axon IV ensure security and compliance in process automation? Axon IV ensures security and compliance in process automation through a combination of robust security features, governance mechanisms, and compliance frameworks. Here's how. 1. Authentication and access control. Single sign-on SSO supports integration with enterprise authentication systems such as LDAP, Active Directory, and OAuth. Role-based access control, RBAC granular permissions ensure users only access processes relevant to their role. Multi-factor authentication, MFA enhances security for user logins. 2. Data security and encryption. End-to-end encryption ensures secure data transmission between users, applications, and services. Secure storage. Sensitive data is encrypted at rest, reducing the risk of data breaches. Data masking and anonymization protects personally identifiable information, PII, and other sensitive data. 3. Compliance and regulatory support. GDPR and HIPAA compliance features built-in mechanisms for data protection and privacy. Audit logging and monitoring maintains comprehensive logs for security and compliance audits. Process governance enforces approval workflows and access tracking for regulatory adherence. 4. Secure process execution. Sandboxed execution isolates process executions to prevent unauthorized access. Threat protection defends against common vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, XSS, and CSRF. Automatic updates and patch management ensures the platform is protected against emerging threats. 5. Integration security. API security uses OAuth, JWT, and API gateways for secure integrations. Secure data exchanges supports secure communication via HTTPS, TLS, and VPNs. Third-party risk management ensures compliance when integrating with external services. How to use Axon IV's case management capabilities for complex workflows? Axon IV's case management capabilities enable businesses to handle complex, dynamic workflows where structured and unstructured processes coexist. Here's how you can effectively use Axon IV for case management in complex workflows. 1. Understanding case management in Axon IV. Case management differs from traditional BPM, business process management, because it allows workflows to adapt dynamically based on changing conditions, user decisions, and external events. Axon IV supports ad hoc workflow changes, modifying cases during execution, user-driven decision-making, allowing case workers to intervene, parallel and sequential task execution, integration with external data sources and systems. 2. Designing a case management workflow. Follow these steps to create a case management solution. Step 1. Define case types and structures. Identify different case types, example customer service cases, insurance claims, compliance reviews. Define the data model for each case type, including structured, forms, fields, and unstructured, emails, notes, information. Step 2. Use dynamic task assignment. Assign tasks dynamically based on case conditions, user roles, or workload balancing. Enable case workers to manually claim or delegate tasks. Step 3. Implement decision points and rules. Use business rules engines to automate decision-making. Allow users to override system decisions when necessary. Step 4. Configure ad hoc and predefined workflows. Predefine workflow paths for standard cases. Allow ad hoc interventions, where case workers can manually add or modify tasks. Step 5. Enable collaboration and communication. Implement case comments, notes, and attachments to facilitate teamwork. Enable notifications and alerts for important case updates. 3. Automating and optimizing case management. Use AI and machine learning for case prediction. Use Axon IV's integration capabilities with AI tools to predict case outcomes. Automate case routing based on past patterns. Why choose ProExcellency for Axon IV online training? ProExcellency Solutions PVT Ltd is a reputable provider of online training programs, including courses on Axon IV. Here are several reasons to consider ProExcellency for your Axon IV online training. Positive reviews and high satisfaction. ProExcellency has received excellent feedback from its clients. On Proven Expert, the company holds a perfect 5.00 out of 5 rating based on 3 reviews, with clients praising the quality of training and professionalism. Proven Expert. Similarly, on AmbitionBox, ProExcellency is rated 5.0 out of 5 based on 5 employee reviews, indicating high satisfaction with the company's culture, job security, and skill development opportunities. AmbitionBox. Comprehensive course offerings. ProExcellency offers a wide range of online training and certification courses across various domains, ensuring that learners have access to diverse learning opportunities. ProExcellency. Experienced and professional instructors. Clients have highlighted the professionalism and expertise of ProExcellency's instructors, noting their ability to deliver high-quality, result-oriented training solutions. Proven Expert. Thank you.